I have a real treat for you today. Looking forward to showing you the video of this beautiful Grade 2 listed cottage behind me called Hersham Carpentry. It's where all the hand carts were made in the area back in the day. It's a 4-bedroom detached cottage with a residential annex and 2 holiday lets. Having seen the wonderful cottage-style kitchen and the formal dining room, you reach us in the main living room of the cottage. Beautiful stone fireplace behind me with a wood burner, ideal for cosy evenings in the winter. A lovely characterful room with deep window reveals, beam ceilings, quality flooring, just a lovely place to relax. Of course, I prefer to be here in my shorts and shirt enjoying the sunshine, but I am at work. But this is just one of the 3 lookouts at the property, which our owners have included to really make the most of the sea views to the west, and both Dartmoor and Bodmin Moor in the distance. This is a beautiful elevated position, yet just 2 or 3 miles from the coastal resort of Bude. Attached to the cottage is a 2-storey annex, which has been linked to the cottage but is dependent from it now. Daisy Chain Cottage is a 1-bedroom, single-storey annex with a modern kitchen, master bedroom ensuite. There's also Little Forge. That's another 1-bedroom holiday let, as my clients use it for, but could easily be another annex. I really hope you've enjoyed our video showcasing this wonderful property. It offers a cracking lifestyle opportunity. I'm really looking forward to show you around. If you're interested, please contact the Bude office on 01288 353 661. Look forward to seeing you.